Guys, welcome back to the RCsparks studio, and today the build begins. Now, the Capo JK Max is actually the second Jeep they've had on the market. There was a 1/8 scale Jeep that they did before, but we were lucky enough and unfortunate enough to have one of the pre-release models of the new one here in the studio. If you did not see the unboxing, of course, check the link up here or in the video description box down below. I am going to be deciphering videos as I go along here, and what do I mean by that? This is the instruction video instead of an instruction book. All the people that are going to build this are going to have these videos from what I understand. But deciphering CAD videos is what I'm going to be doing. So I'm going to be doing a lot of work, not a lot of talking in this first video as I attempt to assemble the cage and maybe the body panels depending on how far I get. But check it out. They will tell you the hardware down here. I do have some pieces that are pre-built, like this fuel cell. The fuel cell is actually the ESC holder, so part of the electronics holder right here, and we'll see how it turns out. Wow, that's real carbon fiber. And there you go, my friends. A few tips and tricks along the way visually. I hope I helped out some of you guys. This thing is an absolute dream. Like, I can't believe what I'm working on. An all metal cage that's being assembled, metal body panels. The only thing that isn't metal is the center console. And of course, the carbon fiber. This is actual carbon fiber, guys. I can't believe it. Quality throughout. I'm having a great time. Hopefully, I've earned a like click from you guys today. Let me know what you think of the Capo JK Max so far. Leave a comment in the comment section down below. I will leave a link to some details and pictures that Capo has given me to show you in the video description box. Again, see you in the next episode of RC Adventures, my friends. Now get outside and have some fun with RC. You know I always do. Bye.